Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Press the Windows key and type Control Panel to begin the search. Open Control Panel from the list that appears on your screen. In Control Panel, set View By to large icons so items become visible alphabetically. Look for Realtek HD Audio Manager in the icon grid and click it to open the app. If Realtek HD Audio Manager is not visible, proceed to the Apps and Features steps I will guide you through next. Open Settings by pressing Windows key and I simultaneously to access system options. Choose Apps and then select Apps and Features to review installed audio software. Use the search box to type Realtek and reveal any matching apps on your device. If you find Realtek, click the three dots and choose Advanced Options to repair or reset the app if needed. If no app exists, open Device Manager and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers to check for a Realtek Audio device. If Realtek Audio does not appear, install or update the driver to restore the manager. Visit your PC maker or Realtek support page to download the latest compatible driver for Windows 11. In Device Manager, right-click the Realtek Audio device and choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer or search automatically. Alternatively, uninstall the device and reboot to let Windows reinstall drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.